We are going to create concrete framing in level 2 and 3 and roof. In project browser, let's go to L02 and then in structure beam, from the list concrete rectangular beam 300 by 600. This we are going to use it here. And then we can use on grids option here. Select all grids, finish it. Revit creates beams all the way around, following our grid system. If the grids are correct, you should have each beam separate between the columns. If somehow your beam goes all the way up and it's one, there is an option to split it. So select the long beam and then go to split element and then come over to the beam, left click, and then that long beam can be divided by parts. If it goes all the way up, you need to click a few times here to get separate. You can see mine are separate, goes from column to column. Okay, having this, we can start to copy this all the way up. 3D view, then select that, right click, select all instances in entire project, then material and finishes. We will use our Kia material, Kia concrete. Okay, then having this selected, Ctrl C from your keyboard, then paste, and again align to selected levels. Select level 2, hold Ctrl key, select level 3, and OK. Revit will automatically copy the beams all the way up. There is an error, there are identical instances in the same place. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Yes, I choose the wrong levels. I should say level 3 and roof. Ctrl Z to go back what we have it here. Left click, right click, select all instances in entire project. Ctrl C, paste, align to selected levels, and then I should say L3 and roof. Okay. And that means those beams will go up and up. It takes a while. Yes, it's done. No errors this time. Okay, that looks good. Level 2 again, and this time we can go to annotate and then beam annotations. Left click, here structural framing tag, and here should be spot elevation, beam elevation. That's fine. That will be the level of it. That's fine. Okay. Revit automatically placed our annotation, so the size of the beam and then the level. You can check the level also using this tool, spot elevation. It's exactly the same. We can do this for L03, then beam annotation, and OK. It works. If you have one long beam, then you probably won't see for each beam separate annotation tag. Once you split it, you will get separate names. Roof, the same. Beam annotation, okay. Yeah, you see this number has changed, is the level of the roof. Then what we can do next, we can go back to L02, zoom out, and then structure, beam system, and beam system we can choose the beam type, and the beam type I would like to have it something that is not on the list, so escape, insert, load family, and we can go to structural framing, concrete, and M-pan joints. Okay, left click, and also what I can do is to rename it, so then I can see on my list that this is the right one. Right click before rename, and then here, and then I can leave the rest. So this time left click, open, and structure, beam system, beam type. This time I should have it on my list. Yes, I have many types. I will choose maybe this one, 150 by 350, and then I'm going to place it here, 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 and here, then here, here, here. Oh, that's a mistake. Again, this one here, here, here. Yes, that's it. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select one of the beam system. If you cannot select, as I can do it here, use the tab key until you get the blue dotted line, and then left click. It should say structural beam system, then right click, select all instances in entire project, then Ctrl C and Ctrl V, no, this time paste, align to selected levels, and we'll copy this all the way up, which is L03 and roof. Holding Ctrl, you can select both. OK. We can check in 3D what happens. Yes, this looks correct. What we can also do, we can go to L02 and we can annotate and tag all. and from the list we can choose framing tags, then OK. We'll get the numbers, and also we can do it the same for L03, tag all, framing tags, OK, and roof, tag all, framing tags, OK. And that's it for now.